Let me, where is, oh, I have my exam opened. I haven't even started on that.
I haven't either.
Hopefully it's not too bad, but the exams are always kind of hard. Okay, mini project 12. My question is number 2. Please calculate and show totals for each column at the top of the AR aging report. So I
Yeah.
understand like we need to total each column, but I can't imagine putting it at the top.
Here, I'll just show you. I'll just show you my screen what I did.
Okay.
So I just put the totals up here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was wondering how on earth.
Yeah, and then I just added a column to bring it down so I could put a title on it, and then
Okay.
just pulled some random. I don't know why they had us put a
I know,
whatchamacallit. It was
because it didn't
stupid.
really even say the name of the company, right?
Yeah.
So interesting. Okay, well that looks easy enough. I'll just do that right now, actually, so I don't have to do it
It
later.
took me a little while to figure out the gold and silver thing. I was like, that looks so easy. I don't know why it took me a while.
Well, the if or and thing was pretty crazy. It's kind of
Yeah.
fun once you figured it out, but okay, so insert another row. Are you done with it, or did you have any questions?
Yeah, I think I'm done with it.
You never have questions on these. What do you do if you have a question? Do you just Google it?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, unless I have a lot of time, but just right now, I mean, you work full time. I work, I mean, so it just feels like I'm just like whatever spare time I have to work on it, I just work, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, and I don't sleep good at night if I don't get my crap done. It just like I sleep angrily.
I know exactly what you're saying. Yes. So important. Okay, so totals. Why are you in white, my friend? I don't want you in white. There. It was hard to get a nice looking color scheme with
Yeah.
the gold and silver.
I'll tell you something. So I was telling my wife, I was like, yeah, I gotta do stuff faster right now because they just added another seminary class for me. So I just need to do. So I was like, I gotta stop messing around because sometimes I'll be up at like 1 a.m. and I'll be done with everything, but then I'll just be sitting there like clicking on colors. And I'm like, why am I doing this? It's so stupid. Just go to
But yours always looks so nice. It pays off.
bed.
Okay. Well, that
How'd you
wasn't
do
too.
on that Harvard simulation?
The what?
That Harvard simulation.
Oh, I thought it was easy. Are you talking about last week?
Yeah,
I thought it was easy. I got it the second time. I was just kind of
I
being
did
bad.
too.
Time.
The first time I was so stupid. I don't know why I did it, but I was like, okay, this is stupid. Since I can see that the average is just going to go like this. So I ordered for the entire time thinking I was going to save a bunch of money. I was so far over.
You were.
Oh yeah. I was like $150.
I think so. What I ended up doing was like I would buy for 3 weeks. I think.
Yep.
Is that what you did?
Yeah, I actually used one of those awesome formulas.
Oh, really? I didn't
Yeah.
even. I just was
Yeah.
pushing.
Yeah, last week's homework, I didn't understand on the quiz. The very last problem on both the homework and the quiz.
Very last.
Here, I'll show you. Maybe you could just tell me real quick, but
There's Wesley.
okay,
Yeah,
cool.
pull it up though. I can look. At least I can be thinking about it, so I know what you're talking about.
How's it going?
Hi, Wesley. We're good. How are you? I mean, can't answer for Jason, but I'm doing good.
Doing great.
Nice.
Okay, so what are your questions, Wesley?
Mine? Have you guys already asked all your questions?
Yeah. Well,
Was it
Jason
pretty?
like, always never has any. I just had one. So
Oh, okay. I had a couple. I don't know why I found this like kind of, I don't know. But one sec.
there were a couple challenging things.
My first question, let's see. It was on the oh, so the very first thing, when it says to sort them,
Mm-hmm.
how I don't understand how they want us to sort that. Do they want us to just sort the numbers or sort?
Yeah.
But then if you were to sort the numbers, it wouldn't the numbers wouldn't match with the accounts receivable.
Yeah, so you have to highlight the entire table. So from customer number all the way to class and then all the way to the bottom.
Oh, and then you have to go to custom sort and then sort it.
Yep, and it'll let you sort first from the 91 days and then so it just lets you sort.
You go data, sort, and then see here. Can you see that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see that.
Yeah, and just make sure to highlight all the data.
Okay, so
And
you
then
just have to sort one and then add another one, then add another one.
Yeah, and make sure they go in order by what they asked on the worksheet. I don't know if that's a big deal, but it looked like they wanted us to do it that way. Because what the 91 days has priority over the 31 to 60, if that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. So I have that question. Yours always just looks really good. So I also, yeah, it's freaking weird. Gosh, what other question do I have? I don't spend nearly as much time as you guys do on these, like to make them look really nice.
I think that's a quality. I was just talking to Katie talking about how I spend too much time just looking at it. It's like it's not going to change my grade.
it does actually. I got docked points for mine not looking super nice once. So
No.
you're working hard for.
Yeah, they usually dock me like 1 point because of the standards of professionalism.
1 point.
But I don't care. But so my other question was, I don't know why, but when I'm trying to, it's like a really, I guess. Oh, I had two questions. Why did they want us to put the freeze pane? Is that for the columns or the rows?
For scrolling like this.
Oh yeah, I did. Do they want us to be able to see the customer? They just want us to be able to see the customer name current at all times.
Yeah. So that way, yeah, as we go down, you'd be like, oh, this is a 030.
Yeah. And how do you get it so you can?
I didn't do that.
Yeah,
I missed that.
It says we have to put a freeze pane in there. But how did you get it so all of this stuff on the top stays? Because for me, I'm only able to get like one row to stay frozen, and then the rest will move.
Okay, so click. So whatever yours is. So here's customer. You see that?
Uh-huh.
Just click on the next row down.
Okay.
And then go to view, I think it is.
And freeze pane.
And you're just gonna click this and it's gonna say freeze pane. So here I'll do unfreeze. So now it goes up and down. if you just go like this and then hit freeze panes, it should work because it'll freeze the panes above the highlighted row.
Okay, I'm gonna try it right now to see if I can do it.
Okay.
Okay, view. So which one did you press? You press unfreeze panes?
So if you scroll down on that freeze panes under view tab, you have, does yours say unfreeze panes?
Yeah.
Okay, click that because you only can freeze one thing at a time.
Okay.
And then highlight whatever row is below the customer number and then hit freeze pane.
Okay, I'll try that.
So is it just that row 4 that we need to freeze?
Yeah.
Okay.
So like if you were looking at it, you'd be able to tell like, oh, okay, this is what this means. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Well, I assume.
Oh, sweet. Okay, I got it. I got it. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I couldn't get it for a while. And then also, I have 2 more questions and then that's it. I usually don't ask questions, but on this one, it was like, I don't know. No. I make it more complicated than I should. So it says that we should have, which one is it? On number 3, it says we should have, no, not number 3. On number 5, it says that we have to have the gold they'll be classified as gold if they're have an average over 12 months of 7,000 or sales for the most recent 3 months of 7,000. How does that work? Do we have to do a separate column of the most recent 3 months and average those out and then somehow add those in or something like that?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
You got your average monthly sale. This is on the second sheet, right?
Yeah. Oh,
okay.
Yeah, I did it on my first sheet.
Yeah, in the directions it said a hint is to just do it over here to make it easier on yourself.
Oh, okay.
But and then what you do, just do an average 3 months. So just do the same formula, but just highlight the November, December, January. And then that will give you your average 3 months. So then when you do your crazy if and or this or that, then you can reference the 2 of them.
Okay. And then I did all of that. My last thing is, for some reason on the first page, it won't allow me to format both gold and silver at the same time. I can only do one. I can only do silver, but I keep trying to do the gold, but it won't allow me to. I don't know why.
So I don't know if I'm doing this right, but this is I think on the conditional formatting, because I messed with this forever. You have to put these rules in every single cell. At least I did, or not every cell, but every column.
Oh, you had to put one in every column. So like over 100.
No, there's six total. So for column A.
Oh, in every column. Yeah, that's how I did it.
Yeah.
But for some reason, it won't work for me.
On column A?
Yeah.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Wait, how do I share my screen? Like that, yeah. Share. So I'm only able to get silver. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm only able to get silver. Like if I go to, mine doesn't look as nice as yours yet, but.
It's okay. Go to a class where it says gold. Oh, okay, here we go.
Yeah, I've done it so many times, and like I've tried to edit the rules, and I go to the class of J5 and then equals gold, and it doesn't work for some reason. But I did the exact same thing with silver, but it worked.
Okay, go show me on your page One that says gold.
What do you? Oh, well, I have it on this one. I just have it here. So, for
There we
example,
go.
yeah.
Okay. So try and replace the gold to a capital G.
That's what I did. I did the same that as well, but it didn't work. Yeah, I mean, I tried to do it. I tried to like several times, and I don't know. It's just not working for me.
Go back to your manage rules. I had problems with this too for a little while.
So I'll try to highlight the class one, or I'll just try to highlight this one, the customer one, and then so on this it says I don't. So if I try to add a new rule, and then oh wait, wrong one. Darn.
No, I think you're right.
I was just on the wrong cell.
Oh.
And then if I equal, oh wait. If I equal,
You're not putting a space in there, right?
I don't think so, no.
Okay.
Yeah, so then if I try to, oh wait, shoot.
Just do like a red or something.
Yeah.
Oh, hit apply.
Okay. Yeah, I tried doing that as well. It just, I don't know. It's,
Okay. Well, yeah, I mean,
I don't know.
what I would try and do is because I was having a problem with this at first too. Katie, feel free to chime in. I deleted all my rules and did it over again, and it worked.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably end up doing that because it's freaking annoying me. But yeah, so that's.
I'm just evaluating everything that I've ever done in my life.
What?
It worked. I only think I had to do one thing.
I'm pretty sure mine looks probably the ugliest out of all three of ours.
I can't even understand what I did.
But yeah, I just feel like sometimes the instructions you really have to like think what it's asking you. And
oh geez.
And it's not like even business related. I just feel like the instructions a lot of the time aren't very clear.
Yeah, I see. I mean, just owning a business, I see how we use all this stuff, but it is an Excel class, not a business class. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Mine's also different. Max, I have to like, do you guys both have PCs?
Yeah, I have an Asus.
Yeah, I have a PC.
Yeah, so my thing looks different, but I just have, let me share my screen. I'll show you what I have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yours looks good.
So I just have these two things.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I couldn't figure out how to do that. I have like, let's see.
I think I got the same thing as you guys,
I think you did too.
but I only had to input two formulas.
Yeah, this is definitely.
How did you? Can you open one of your rules so I can see how you did it? That's what I tried to do, and I just gave up.
Which one are you talking to about?
Oh, sorry. I'm talking to Katie. I was trying to see how she did her rule.
So this is The gold, obviously. I just did equals J5 with the row. I forget what that's called. F4, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or with just the column, and then equals, you got to put gold and.
That's what I tried to do, but it didn't work.
Yeah, I tried to do that too, and I couldn't get it to work.
That's so weird. You guys need to buy Max.
Yeah, seriously. I've actually considered it because I've.
No, it's actually for this class, it's the biggest pain in the butt.
I'll bet.
Well, I realized I messed up on something though. My if or and statements, I was using the columns from the AR aging report instead of the monthly sales report.
I actually, so on the monthly sales report, or I mean the one that shows like per month, I don't know if you guys sorted it A to Z because that's how the first page is. It's sorted A to Z.
Well, but once you resort it, it's all out of whack. So once you do the 91 days, 61, 31, you know.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it doesn't keep it in.
You know, what was interesting too, Katie, is I think our numbers were different.
Yeah, it's which ones?
Well, because I was looking at your gold and silver, and you have a lot more gold here up top.
Yeah, it's because I didn't even use the monthly sales numbers. I did for the average monthly sales right here. But then for this, for some reason in my head, I thought it was a good idea to just use these numbers instead of monthly sales numbers.
Right.
So I'm going to have to go back and insert the different numbers into my formula. So I think you're probably right.
I'm interested. It got me thinking about the conditional formatting. I don't know what I'm talking about now.
No, don't question yourself because of mine. I'm pretty sure.
Well, no, Wesley. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. He's got a Windows machine, so if he does it the same way, you have a newer version of Excel, Wesley?
Yeah, I have 2016 or 17.
Yeah. Okay. Equal.
Oh, this is so tedious.
It really is.
Average monthly sales for the last 12 months.
Yeah, it makes it kind of annoying. Custom port. No. Not what I wanted.
Not trying to type.
I have no idea why it wanted us to do that, but
Use a formula. Equals. Oh, hey, Wesley, this was something that actually made a difference. Okay. So here, go pull your screen up again.
my screen.
Yeah. Remember, this is something that made a difference.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so highlight all the data that you want to do the rule first to. Okay.
That?
Yeah.
Or should I highlight both?
Now hit conditional formatting.
Uh-huh.
Now do new rule. And do your gold rule here. Or red or whatever.
Okay.
Hey. Mm.
Still didn't work.
Oh. Sorry, dude. I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea. I feel like I've gone back and watched the videos a couple times, but I don't think for some reason I'm not doing it correctly.
I just wonder.
So kind of sucks. It's okay though.
That is really weird.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Hey,
keep.
here's one other thought. This is my last thought. When I saw you highlight all your information, you started with customer number.
Uh-huh.
So if you did customer, I don't know if that makes a difference, but if you went all the way over, it would be class. So I don't know if it makes a difference if you do it on your first row of data. I don't know.
I'll keep trying stuff.
Holy cow. I don't know how I got this. Oh no. I've just ruined everything. That makes you guys feel better.
Where are you at?
But yeah, I think that's pretty much all of my questions.
Well, now I have one more question. I was just trying to fix my if and or statement.
Okay.
In AR aging. So you pulled the numbers from the monthly sales, right?
Yeah, so if you look here, I'm on my monthly sales. And then I have my average, and then gold or silver.
So you did the gold or silver on that page.
Yes. And then all I had to do when I was done with that was then do a V lookup and bring it over.
Okay.
And then I conditional formatted with the color.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, the way I did it was so much easier, but this is fine. Okay, I'm gonna have to redo that.
How'd you do it? What'd you do this quicker? I want to know.
Well, I did it wrong. So
Oh.
my wrong way was really easy. So I'll just have to figure out that again. If, or, and gold. Okay.
Here.
All right, you guys. I think I am good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Unless, okay. And then Jason, you just had a question about the other class, huh?
Yeah, I did, but
Look at you. Bless your soul. Thank you.
yep.
Let me put this down. Okay. Then I guess we're all set for the week. The quizzes or the exams due on Saturday, right?
That's right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I can answer that question probably. Okay. See you, Wesley.
See ya.
See you, Wesley.